What's that?
Probably the bathroom or the garage. Yeah, the garage.
Garage door open.
No, we got a little alarm yet.
Ooh, this one seems just more. First of all, let's talk about the countertops being white, which automatically makes the space seem a little more bright, even though we still have dark cabinets.
Right.
My ideal kitchen is all white.
I like the floor, I like the fenced-in yard.
There's a fenced-in yard. If you guys don't know.
Oh, this doesn't from 3 houses.
That's interesting. So that's just a fence.
Yeah, which I like it still. No, this is here.
If I was the person that sure had a Rottweiler. Is that a bathroom?
No, another closet. They got one closet in here, another closet in here.
Storage space.
The bathroom's over here.
Okay, so.
That's good. I like it in the cut.
Yeah, I like that it's not right off the kitchen.
Right. I don't know how this door in front of the fridge though.
Yeah, that's kind of, should have been a sliding door.
Right.
But wow, these dark cabinets. We literally were like, we don't want dark cabinets. And then like both of the houses so far had. I love how big this pantry is. Kim Kardashian's refrigerator is not even, her refrigerator is bigger than this pantry.
Wow.
I'm like, it's not embarrassing. I mean, it's wealth. It's wealth.
Yeah, I definitely like this.
All black appliances. What do you feel? We're really a stainless steel type peeps.
Yeah, I know. I'll sacrifice for a fenced-in yard and just the space.
The space is okay.
Yeah.
The space is okay.
And just that.
I like the storage space.
I thought it was like marbles.
No.
So just
Here. Is it a 2-piece?
no, so yes.
It's a 2-piece.
What's a 2-piece, baby?
Toilet and sink.
Oh.
Got a 2-piece bathroom. This is the dining area in which we would change this. If you guys can still see me in the camera. But okay. So far, so good with this one.
Yeah,
So far, so good. Let's go upstairs. This little common area, family space, which I like. Okay? And if this is more closet space, I mean, they understand. You need space. You need storage space. I'm thinking that this is the master. Let's check this out. Laundry room. This is not the master. Couldn't be. Couldn't be.
why not, baby?
Too small. This is like a possible glam room.
Or an extra guest bedroom.
Or an extra guest bedroom. Oh, look at this. This is. I like places that you can store things. And that's just a little thing. All right. Okay.
You're clearly out of shape.
Or carrying a 6-pound baby.
Whichever comes first.
What's up? Closet with the window. I like it. Go check it out.
Great space.
Yeah.
This is clear on my side.
Okay, come here. Stop talking about sides. You somewhere else.
This is clear on my side.
This is anyway. I like the 2 windows in the master. And the moment we go. I cannot. What? Come on, Tampa.
What?
It's a roach on that countertop. And I think he's asleep.
Well, baby, they do the pest control.
Yes. Look, there's a lot of stuff. Here's the point, because we need to get out of here because my anxiety is tipping That shower sucks. Stop doing that. Secondly, come. They understand the storage. There's 2 additional closet spaces in here. Third, we have a lift off with the toilet, the throne, being in a separate room. The only thing that I don't like about this.
Yeah, it's not enclosed because some builders are actually very cheap with doing that. And more builders are going with the stand-up shower because they know parents are not utilizing their bathtubs anymore. So.
But this could have at least been enclosed.
That's going to cost a lot more money to enclose the shower.
Whatever.
From a builder's perspective, they just had to put something in a particular shower and that's it.
That's it. What does this look like? Nigeria? Yeah.
Shut up, take shot. That's why we living better than y'all out here.
Alright, so we got 2 more rooms right next to each other. Nice little closet spaces. Either our son's room or the glam room or an extra room. So this is stuffy because of the floors. And one of our concerns is in having a new baby, like the hardwood floors versus carpet. But the way I see it is that the baby's gonna be pretty much in controlled areas until he can actually really walk. So we'll put rugs down for where we want him to play. Like in this family room area, this would be a cool place for him to play. This would be a cool place for him to play. And of course, what we would do is just put a baby gate at the stairs and put a nice, gentle and soft rug in this area for him to play. So this can kind of, be our living space when we're not downstairs. But other than that, like, this is a contender, possibly. I don't like the kitchen in the dark wood, though. Anyway, what do you think, babe? I love all the storage.
Yeah, top 3.
All right. We've seen enough in this house. So, babe, what do you say?
So that is it. Trying to wrap it up and go to the next house.
I can see you in this kitchen cooking me some dinner.
Every night you're enslaved.
I can see you making some jollof.
Some goat head. Yeah.
No goat head.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
Then I'm setting up my little wine bar right there, my cocktail bar.
Yeah, that's a good idea. That ain't bad.
Right here.
Yeah. Be nice. There's a lot. I mean, this is cute.
Yeah.
It's new, but it's cute.
This is new.
It feels new. I mean, maybe people have lived in it, but it's a pretty new build.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's especially with that dang on shower. Ugh.
Yeah. I like how the door opens in.
In, right.
Not opens out so that somebody can rob and kill.
Oh gosh. Let's get out of here.